Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last month I let you know that YouTube is now rolling out pause ads. And pause ads are new adverts that are being displayed as static ads on the right hand side of paused videos, as the name implies. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like more info. Now, my reason for mentioning that video is because it seems now that YouTube could be making it harder to skip ads. And this is according to some reports doing the rounds over on Reddit, where some YouTubers are seeing black rectangles over the skip button instead of the countdown timer. And this has also been confirmed by Android Police, who spotted this over on mobile. And here's another example of that. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but there's a black rectangle over the skip button to skip the ad after a given time period, as mentioned. Now, apparently, YouTube has actually made a statement to The Verge where it says it isn't removing the skip button, it's just changing some elements of how ads are being displayed, with YouTube saying, and I'm quoting, "YouTube is not hiding the skip button. On skippable ads, the button appears after 5 seconds into playback as always." They carry on to say that users on both desktop and mobile may also see the countdown timer to skip an ad appear as a progress bar on the bottom of the screen. So, as mentioned by The Verge, it seems that the skip button isn't being removed, but it may not be presented in the same manner that it used to. So, obviously, YouTube and Google are kind of mixing up things a little bit again when it comes to how you can skip an ad. And I'll keep my eye on this because obviously we are watching this on the YouTube platform. So just kind of getting us all on the same page. So it does seem that YouTube is expanding where and how you see ads. As mentioned in that previous video, which I posted back in September, this also includes now the pause ads, but go check that video out. And if I get more info, obviously, I'll keep us all up to speed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.